Ever wondered what a Bitcoin mining pool is? Let's break it down. In the Bitcoin network, miners use the SHA-256 hashing algorithm to win a transaction block. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. Because mining is so competitive, miners decided to join forces in what's called a mining pool. A mining pool is a group of miners combining their computational resources to increase their chances of winning a block. When a block is mined, the reward is shared among the participants based on their contribution. The first mining pool, Slush Pool, was introduced in 2010, changing the mining game. How does it work? Miners connect their hardware to the pool's server, and the pool assigns portions of the problem to each miner. When a miner solves it, the block reward is shared. Rewards are distributed among all hashing pool members, with a small fee for the pool operator. Solo miners, also called lottery miners, might wait 100 years for a reward. Pool mining offers more frequent payouts, making revenue more predictable. How do you join a pool? Choose a pool, like Luxor Mining Pool, sign up, configure your mining software, and start hashing. Remember to consider pool's reputation and fees before joining. Mining pools make Bitcoin mining competitive and accessible.